Big Red Chicken.
To the left. Perfecto.
Cupcake's surprise birthday party is coming together great.
We'll eat treats,
Play games, and then watch her favorite movie, Magic Neil, the Magical Puppy. And
do you like magic tricks? We love magic tricks. And the
now
Big
that the
Red
screen is
Chicken
set up,
made us
let's
all
test
appear
out
as
our
the
new movie
magic
projector
trick.
that Bobbing
Yeah,
Stone.
that was a
Hit it,
cool
Art.
trick, Red Chicken.
Oh,
For
so
my
next
To that part,
Yeah, it's my turn to help the Big Red Chicken do a trick.
For my next trick, I'm going to turn Boots into...
Fetch this, you big scary monster thingy. Shadowmonium, scary Ouija, make this big baddie a small squinty. Not so big and scary now, eh? Friends are the best kind of magic.
Abracadabra!
Molly and I just finished putting up the Magic Neil decorations for Cupcake's birthday. They are magical.
Boots.
That's special and magical, but put together. Man, I don't know if they like sparkles. Cool. The sparkles look like magic. Cupcake's gonna be all...
Wow, not too shabby for puppies. What's with all the sparkles?
Happy
birthday, Cupcake.
Oh, no. No.
What's wrong, Cupcake?
Thanks for throwing a birthday party for me, but I don't want to celebrate because something bad always happens when I celebrate my birthday.
Something bad? Poor Cupcake.
If we have this party, something bad might happen again. Like this one birthday when I was little. I woke up with the doggy sniffles. Achoo! Or another birthday when it rained and my dry dog food got wet. Or the birthday when my paw was broken and I couldn't play with the other dogs at my own birthday party.
Aww.
That's when I realized that something bad always happens on my birthday. Therefore, I will never celebrate it ever
I think my
again.
wand went into the magic hat. And now it's in...
Magic Land!